Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today you're joining me outside, and I'm gonna go through my process of cleaning my car outside. Again, this is the way I do it, and hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's give the Milano Pink a wash, shall we? Let's do it.
"お前はもう死んでいる。
Welcome guys, so today's you join me in a bit of a different format. I'm gonna go through the whole process of cleaning the car with you, so I'll try to be as quick as possible, so I don't want to spend too much time in the same kind of frame, so to speak. As you can see by the pictures, or the image rather, the car was not super dirty, but there was a bit of dirt, so to speak, in some areas, especially the lower areas of the car, where you can see some deposits, and we'll try to address this the best we can. As a disclaimer, again, I'm not a detailer, so I'm using the products that I've got with me at the moment. I'm not saying that my method is the best method to do it, it's simply the way I do this. So hope you guys enjoy it, and let's crack on. So these are the products that I've used. Again, is the products that I got some experience with. I'm not telling they are the best in the market, it's the one that I'm currently using, and basically that's what we're gonna use on this video. So we're gonna use the 2 bucket method, where we're gonna fill up one bucket with water and the other one with soap, and basically we're gonna rinse every time that we use the soapy bucket. So I've started by doing the wheels. I got a wheel cleaner. It's not the greatest wheel cleaner, to be honest, and I found it funny that they actually made it purple, so it looks like when you're in contact with the wheel, it's turning purple. So as you can see, there's a bit of dirt that we managed to remove, and the wheel doesn't look great, but after a rinse it's gonna look better. So after we cleaned the wheels, we then went to the snow foam. I was trying to be as quick as possible, because the sun was in and out, to be honest. I felt the car before I started doing the washing. It was not too hot, but every time that the sun popped out, the car would warm up quite rapidly, so I've tried to be as fast as possible. So if you're doing this, try to find some place where you got a bit of a shade, because it's easier for clean, because you don't need to brush, otherwise it's basically gonna dry so fast that you're gonna have water spots mark all over your car, and we're trying to avoid that. So here I'm giving another clean to the wheels with this brush, and just to make it the best I can, to be honest. So after cleaning the wheels, I've then rinsed the car again to try to remove all the dirt that the snow foam basically released, and after that we'll go for the contact wash. Here we go. So with the contact wash is the 2 buckets method. I've tried to do a straight line whenever I could, to avoid to do any swirls to the paint. The paint on the car is not too bad, but it's not great. It definitely deserves a stage polishing. As you can see, I was basically rinsing the pad, so to speak, in clean water, and then go back to soapy water and repeat the process. And that's basically what I've done to the rest of the car. And I've tried to be as quick as possible, as I mentioned, because the sun was out and the car was getting a bit too warm to carry on doing the washing. So after the contact wash, I've rinsed the car once again, and then I've noticed that everything was pretty much bang on, so I decided to dry the car again as fast as I could, so I basically didn't have any water spot marks, so to speak. So once the car was dried, I then started to clean the windows, and I've just used the normal window cleaner. I used one face of the mop to clean the window, and then I've used the other face to basically dry or remove the residue from the glass / window. I then took my attention to the exhaust trim. They are made from a chromey kind of metal, and I've always used this product to clean the trims, and they've been it's been working fine. Unfortunately, I actually choose the wrong side of the exhaust to clean, because the other one where I got my single exit is the one that is actually a bit more dirty. So this one was not too bad, but nevertheless, it's basically something that you probably should do in your car, because it completely transforms the car. I then apply the product to basically rejuvenate the plastic trims. It's a special trim product. I'm using this kind of sponge because it's easier to handle, and at the same time don't leave any residues. But sometimes if it leaves residues, all you need to do is just wipe it off straight away. I then moved to the wax. In this video I'm using Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax, which is in my opinion one of the best wax that you can get for the car. I've been using this one for 3 years, and I've tried different ones, but for me, I don't know, it works best. You'll notice from now on there's a little bubble on the right hand corner, and I apologize for that. I didn't notice that the camera got wet, and unfortunately that little bubble will stay there for the rest of the video. So once you apply the wax and you let it stay for 3 to 5 minutes, you can then buff it out, and basically you can see straight away that the results are great. Again, it's one of the best wax in the market in my opinion. The only wax I haven't tried is actually the liquid wax from Meguiar's, but to be honest, this one is doing me so well that I've just decided to stick with it. And that's pretty much the whole process, so I'll leave you guys with some quick cinematics, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you.